Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
It's fabulous 50s. We got 1956 Pontiac Chieftain. Award-winning car, comes with a pile of trophies, and I can see why it's restored beautifully. Painted original colors, good, clean, rust-free car, automatic transmission. She's a real sweetheart. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs and study all the pictures. And that's where you find price tags on every car that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you can be notified as we post the new ones. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So underneath the car is just very proper, respectable. They did not get underneath there. It was not body off the frame, so they did not paint it and polish it underneath. But there's no issues. It's rock solid, good clean metal. The braces, the rockers, the floor pans, all really nice, rock solid. Front end components, there's a couple components that look like they've been replaced. It looks like it's been greased recently. It does have a dual exhaust system that looks recent, and it does come out through the factory tips that are actually attached to the bumper. So yeah, dual exhaust is in great shape. Bottom of the motor is clean. It's a Hydromatic 4-speed automatic trans. That's nice and clean. So like I said, underneath is just real respectable. Top side, it's show car. Yeah, everything is polished top side. So it's a two-door hardtop. Hardtop means it does not have the post, so it's nice and open. A coupe is the one with the post. The hardtop's without. These are the original colors, Chesapeake blue and I think Vista blue maybe, but it was born the two-tone blue. Let's look at the body. The lines, you got a big intersection here, lots going on. It's all right on, square and flush. Smooth, this is straight. I mean, this is nice, clean, straight metal all around here, no issues. The hood lines up real nice, straight, no issues. Excellent body. It all fits, all smooth all along the bottom. The rockers have no bubbles, no bumpy body work, all in great shape. Metal fender skirts fit nicely. No issues. Trunk fits beautifully, straight. Looking down the side of the car, it's like a blue mirror. The roof is excellent. So the body on this car is outstanding. The paint is really, really nice. It is wet sanded and polished like glass. With that said, there's a couple flaws here and there. Actually, oh, that wiped off, so there you go. But I know there's a couple little nicks. I mean, you're going to find that in just about any car. But the quality of the paint job, in my opinion, it's going to be a 9 out of a 10. The metal flake is laid out nice. No blending, no cracking, no issues, no mismatched colors. It all looks really sharp to me. The trim kind of puts it over the top. I think that was my deciding factor in buying the car. All the moldings are straight and shiny and sparkly. See the little flipper? That's what they call that. When you open it, it opens up with it. It closes. Those rarely work properly. The trim around the windshield. You got these strips running down the hood. They're actually set into the hood. That's pretty cool. They're not pitted. They're in real nice shape. You got a V8 emblem here. The little eyebrows. This big chrome grille and bumper. Beautiful. All sparkling chrome, all redone. Hood ornament is re-chromed. The moldings down this side are just as nice. Has the fingernail guards. Has this chrome behind the door handle. That's so your fingernails don't scratch the paint. Those are real nice. The hubcaps are even sparkling and polished, and the black paint is not worn off of them. The rim is painted nice. Reproduction BF Goodrich Silvertown tires. The windshield's excellent. The rubber gaskets are soft. So you got real nice body and paint, and especially nice chrome. Like the little bit of red is nice. This here matches the hood. Real nice. The back bumper, taillights, optional reverse lights. Those were optional. Here's the dealer it was sold new at in Denver. It's where it was sold new, Metropolitan in Denver. So yeah, beautiful exterior. The rear windows crystal clear. So why don't we stop it and we'll check out the inside. Tell you what, this car just gets nicer and nicer. Check out this trunk compartment. It comes with this nice big show board. Comes with some original literature. And look at all the trophies that it's recently won. So all that will go with it. Take all that out and just look how nice the trunk is. It's all clean metal, painted very nicely. It has the correct mat with an insulation pad underneath it. You got a white wall tire for a spare. Bottom of the trunk lid is painted, and the insulation pads look like they've been replaced. The weather strips replaced. The wiring's all neat and tidy. Rear seat dividers replaced. Oh, it does have the jack assembly. Check that out over here. You got the spring holding it down. That's the way they came. The rim is painted. So yeah, you start to see why it won all these trophies. The back glass must be new. It's crystal clear. Door jambs are painted nice. The nuts and bolts and hardware is clean. New weather strips. Door panel's been replaced. Look at the handles. The white plastic knobs are not broken. And this is important, the dash. When you're sitting in the car looking at the dash, look at this cool steering wheel. It's not cracked. It's just beautiful. Automatic shift indicator. Look at the instrument gauges, the knobs. The metal is all painted. You can paint a car, but who's going to get in here and replace all this trim and these knobs? Where are you going to find it? This is all in excellent shape. Glove box light works. Glove box liner's real nice. I know the blower works. I want to point out something over here to the left also. The interior light works, and the e-brake. When you pull it out and the key is on, that light flashes. I think that was an option, and that actually works too. So the car appears to be really good functioning condition as well. The carpet is this nice tight woven carpet that's correct for this year car. It's also more money. Even has matching mats. The upholstery is all redone. The back seat looks like it's not been sat in. The rear panels, knobs, ashtrays, all that's done real nice. It all fits nice. We're not talking about baggy upholstery and things falling down. Headliner is cloth, beautiful shape, matching visors. Has the day-night mirror. That's an option. So inside this car, beautiful kick panels. All real nice. We're going to check out the V8 under the hood. It is the 4-barrel. Nope, I apologize. It is a 2-barrel. I forget the size of the motor, a 316, I believe, with like 204 horsepower. Those specs are on our website. But look how clean and tidy everything is. Real cool Pontiac silver streak valve cover. Original air cleaner. The spark plugs look brand new. The glass washer bottle. This is upgraded. That's the wiper motor. That's a new electric, much upgraded over the original vacuum. All the wiring is tidy. The battery is secured. The hoses and clamps look new in their reproduction. So everything in the motor looks clean and proper. I'm just reading the show board that goes with it, and it does say all the chrome is replated, all the glass is replaced. It shuts so nice. That door shut beautifully over there. I bet this one does too. That's nice. And again, the flippers usually don't work. A lot of times you have to have the window up to actually close it, but nice, nice car. Now you think about restoring one of these, a Camaro or a Mustang, you open the catalog, you order a new dash, you order new pieces of trim. Look at the bumper. You know what this thing costs to send out and re-chrome? These are very expensive cars to restore. And guess what? You don't need to restore it. It's already done. This is a proven show quality car. It's beautiful. And considering what things cost today, it is an absolute bargain. Go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression, but talk to the salesman. They'll answer your questions the best they can. They can help get this delivered anywhere. They can help you finance this car. That's at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so you're notified when the new ones come out. Thanks for watching.